Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming consent and ensuring safe handling. This protects participants and your data. Once done, power up the mobile scanner, pair it with the app, and run the SDK calibration at the target resolution so prints are reproducible. Make sure ambient light and temperature are stable. Wipe the sensor with approved wipes to remove oils. Capture a control fingerprint first to validate settings. You'll know settings are correct when ridge contrast and minutiae count meet your predefined thresholds. Once you have raw images, run automated enhancement to improve ridge visibility. You do this to reduce false minutiae. Then extract minutiae sets and compute a quality score so you can accept or retake captures immediately. Make sure templates are created using a standardized algorithm and saved alongside timestamped metadata and consent identifiers. You should encrypt both raw and template files on device and transmit them over TLS to keep participant data secure and auditable. To finish, capture 2 to 3 impressions per finger and fuse them into a single robust template. This increases matching performance. Then validate new templates against your control dataset to confirm expected match scores. If quality metrics drop below your threshold, immediately recapture that finger and document the cause. If issues persist, check sensor alignment, firmware/SDK mismatches, or power instability. Resolving those typically restores consistent captures. Keep a short troubleshooting log so recurring problems are easier to fix next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.